Hello and welcome to this week's video.
Hello,
Here
everyone.
we are again with a new portion of inspiration for you. And I was recently looking through some of the courses in Brave Brush Studio Library, and I stumbled upon a video featuring a Julia's sketchbook that for some reason I hadn't seen. And this sketchbook, you may have seen this sketchbook if you have done Julia's course. I
Let's
always
draw.
let's draw some windows. Let's draw some doors.
Let's draw some doors.
And she shows this sketchbook. And the reason why doors are so amazing, and the reason why we often invite you to draw doors is, Julia, as a
Yeah,
teacher,
it's
how do you see this reason?
it's because doors are, first of all, are very fun to draw. I think everyone loves doors, right?
Okay.
Most of people, they are very cute, and they are very different, and they are quite easy to draw. I mean, a very large urban or a very complicated urban scene is not suitable for drawing for beginners. But the door is suitable for everyone, and everyone can draw a door. Some are very simple, some are more complicated. So there are doors for everyone.
Right. So it's a
Yeah,
good object to start with.
absolutely, yes, yeah,
Right.
one of the best
Are
ones.
there any other reasons for why you recommend doors?
Yeah, I think doors are also a very nice object to practice with shadows because it's a very easy one. The shadows often come from one side and the other side is in the light. You can also practice with highlights, and you see very often that doors without shadows look very flat and not very interesting. And if you add dark shadows in the
The
right
right
place,
places.
in the right places, then your door often look really great. So it's also a nice object to be satisfied with your sketch, and also to make yourself happy.
Right. So today we're going to look at Julia's door sketchbook. But before we do that, Julia, one last quick questions. If you were to choose doors or windows, which one do you choose?
Doors, of course, doors. Yes.
Okay. Well, enjoy this video and don't forget to tag us on Instagram next time you post a sketch of a door. We would love to see them.